then congratulations. You're growing
the way they want. But the one thing they
every day. God created us. The world created the erotic industry. God created love. The world created hookup culture. God created nature. The world created video games. God created forgiveness. The world created resentment. God created food. The world created processed food. God created water. The world created soda. God created honey. The world created artificial sweeteners. God created connection. The world created cell phones. God created prayer. The world created antidepressants. God gave us everything we need. So ask yourself,